Hello friends, welcome to Infotech Solution. Today, we will discuss how to connect your Epic Games account to the Rockstar Social Club. Let's get into it. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Rockstar Games and go to search. Click on the first website that pops up. Once it's open, click on the profile icon in the upper right corner. A little window will pop up. Click on Sign In. This takes you to the sign-in form. Enter your email and password. And once you are signed in, you will see the dashboard. Now go back to the profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down, click on Settings. It might take a moment to open. Once it's open, click on Linked Accounts from the top bar. Here, you'll see there's no Epic account linked. So go back to the profile icon, click on Help, and from the drop-down open Support. After a few moments, the Support Center opens. Click on Account Support. Then click over Social Club account, and here you have to click over the account linking. On this page, provide PSN ID for PSN or nickname for PC. In the description, share your account details. You can also upload any file as a reference. Click Submit Web Ticket when you're done, and there you go. Your Epic account is linked. That's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more tech informational videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.